Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel Icon Gardening. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of companion planting, an ancient technique that can transform your garden into a thriving ecosystem. Imagine a garden where plants support each other, flourishing together. That's the magic of companion planting. Beneficial insects buzz around, pests stay away, and your harvest is more abundant than ever. Intrigued? Buckle up as we explore the many benefits of companion planting and how to create your own harmonious garden oasis. Health and growth benefits. Companion planting isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a healthy and supportive environment for your plants. Think of it as a team effort. For instance, imagine a trio of basil, tomatoes, and peppers growing together. Basil deters pests with its aroma while also stimulating tomato growth. Peppers add another layer of protection with their spicy defenses, but the magic goes deeper. Their roots intertwine, sharing water, minerals, and nutrients. It's a symbiotic dance that nourishes the soil and strengthens all the plants involved. Companion planting acts as a natural fertilizer, promoting healthy growth and bountiful harvests. Pest control benefits. Worried about pesky insects ruining your precious vegetables? Companion planting offers a natural solution. Sunflowers, for example, act as guard towers, deterring aphids with their towering presence. Marigolds, with their cheerful blooms, release a strong scent that repels nematodes in the soil. But the real meats here are herbs. Basil, rosemary, and mint don't just add flavor to your dishes. Their fragrant oils act as natural insecticides, keeping unwanted visitors at bay without harming helpful pollinators. So, ditch the chemical sprays and embrace the power of companion planting for a pest-free garden. Biodiversity and ecosystem benefits. A companion-planted garden isn't just about your harvest. It's about creating a vibrant ecosystem that benefits all living things. Think of a garden bursting with colorful flowers alongside leafy greens. Each plant attracts its own crew of helpful creatures, from bees and butterflies to ladybugs that devour harmful insects. Companion planting fosters biodiversity, leading to a more resilient and sustainable garden. It reduces the need for pesticides and promotes natural pest control methods. Healthy soil is also key. Companion planting encourages the growth of beneficial microorganisms that improves soil structure. This, in turn, leads to healthier plants and even better yields. But perhaps the greatest benefit is the connection you forge with nature. By nurturing this diverse ecosystem, you become a steward of the land, creating a beautiful and balanced haven. Successful companion planting combinations. Now let's unlock the secrets to creating your own thriving companion planting paradise. Here are some superstar pairings. Peas, carrots, and radishes. The peas climb, providing support for the carrots and radishes below, while fixing nitrogen in the soil for all three to benefit. Tomatoes and basil, a classic duo. The basil repels pests and enhances tomato flavor, while the tomato leaves provide shade for the basil. Marigolds and cucumbers. Marigolds deter pests that love munching on cucumbers, creating a happy and healthy coexistence. These are just a few examples. There are endless possibilities for companion planting. Research different plant combinations and discover the magic of creating a flourishing garden ecosystem. Final thoughts. Companion planting is more than just a gardening technique. It's a celebration of cooperation and the interconnectedness of nature. By embracing this ancient practice, you can create a beautiful, bountiful, and healthy garden that thrives on its own. So, get creative, experiment with different companion planting combinations, and witness the magic unfold in your own backyard. Ready to try companion planting in your garden? Leave a comment below and tell us which plant combinations you're excited to try. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!